Have you experienced flexible filament escaping from your Bowden extruder? Here is an easy fix. All you need are 1. A drill and drill bits, 2. PTFE Teflon tubing, 3. A wire cutter. Step 1. Find a drill bit closest to the diameter of PTFE tube. Step 2. Drill a hole starting with a bit 2 size smaller. Then the bit 1 size smaller. Finally the same size bit. Step 3. Insert the PTFE tube into the filament path and make sure it's very tight. Step 4. Hold the extrusion gear in place and mark the cutting edge on the tube. Step 5. Cut the tube in a V shape. Step 6. Clean the debris. Now let's test by feeding the TPU filament to the extruder. No issues. After this modification, I never encountered the filament escaping problem on my Ender 3 V2. Other materials such as PLA, PETG works great as well. This is how I fixed a flexible filament extrusion problem on a Bowden extruder. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.